Space is vast, really vast. It's a realm that stretches beyond our wildest imaginations, filled with wonders and mysteries. It's hard to wrap our minds around the sheer scale of the cosmos. The distances are so immense, they boggle the mind. But within this unimaginable expanse, a breathtaking spectacle unfolds, the collision of galaxies. These events are both violent and beautiful. Imagine islands of light, entire galaxies smashing into each other. It's a cosmic ballet of epic proportions. Stars are flung about like sparks from a bonfire, creating a mesmerizing display of light and energy. Gas and dust, the ingredients of new stars, are strewn across millions of light years. These elements are the building blocks of future celestial bodies. This isn't science fiction, it's a fundamental process shaping the universe. These collisions are real and have profound effects. These cosmic collisions are more than just dazzling light shows. They are dynamic events that drive the evolution of the cosmos. They are crucial events in the evolution of galaxies. The aftermath of these collisions can lead to the formation of new structures. They trigger the birth of new stars, fuel supermassive black holes, and create environments where new phenomena can emerge and reshape the cosmic landscape. The very fabric of the universe is altered by these monumental events. Understanding galactic mergers helps us unravel the history of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, and its past interactions, and provides a glimpse into the ultimate fate of the universe. These events hold the key to understanding the future of all galaxies. What exactly are these colossal structures that engage in such dramatic dances? Galaxies are not just random collections of stars, they are dynamic, ever-evolving systems that play a crucial role in the universe. Galaxies are vast collections of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, all bound together by gravity. This gravitational force is what holds these components together, creating a complex and beautiful structure. Our Sun is just one of billions of stars that call the Milky Way galaxy home. Each star, including our Sun, has its own unique orbit and characteristics, contributing to the galaxy's overall dynamics. And the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies contains its own unique set of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. Galaxies come in different shapes and sizes. Some are small and faint, while others are massive and bright, each with its own distinct characteristics. There are majestic spiral galaxies like our own, with graceful arms swirling around a central bulge. These arms are often sites of active star formation, making them some of the most beautiful structures in the universe. Elliptical galaxies are more rounded, resembling giant cosmic footballs. They tend to have older stars and less gas, making them appear more uniform and less dynamic. And then there are irregular galaxies which defy easy classification, often a result of gravitational interactions with their neighbors. These galaxies can have chaotic structures and are fascinating to study because of their unique formations. Despite the unimaginable distances between stars, galaxies themselves are relatively close together. Their mutual gravitational attraction can pull them into a celestial dance that can last for billions of years. This dance often culminates in a spectacular collision. When galaxies collide, it's not like a car crash. It's more like a merging of two swarms of bees. Individual stars rarely collide due to the vast distances between them. However, the gravitational forces at play have a profound impact. Gas and dust clouds slam into each other, triggering bursts of star formation. These starburst regions light up the merging galaxies, creating breathtaking spectacles visible across the cosmos. Section 4. The Milky Way's rendezvous with Andromeda. Our own galaxy is not immune to this cosmic ballet. The Milky Way is on a collision course with our nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Don't panic though, this encounter won't happen for another 4 billion years or so. When these two spiral giants finally meet, they will engage in a complex gravitational dance, pulling and stretching each other. Over billions of years, they will merge into a single, larger elliptical galaxy. Our solar system will likely survive the merger, but our night sky will be transformed, filled with the light of billions of new stars. Section 5. Cosmic Recycling, the Importance of Galactic Mergers. Galactic mergers are not destructive events, they are essential for cosmic evolution. These grand cosmic dances are fundamental to the universe's life cycle. They drive the evolution of galaxies, pushing them to grow and change over billions of years. Through these interactions, galaxies can acquire new shapes, sizes, and structures. The gas and dust stirred up in these collisions provide the fuel for new generations of stars. This process of star formation is crucial for the ongoing cycle of birth and death in the cosmos. These mergers also play a role in the growth of supermassive black holes lurking at the centers of most galaxies. As galaxies collide, their central black holes can merge, creating even more massive black holes. As gas and stars are funneled toward these gravitational behemoths during a merger, they release tremendous amounts of energy, powering quasars, the most luminous objects in the universe. These energetic phenomena can outshine entire galaxies. By studying these cosmic collisions, we gain invaluable insights into the processes that have shaped galaxies, stars, and even the elements that make up our own bodies. The heavy elements forged in these events are the building blocks of planets and life. They remind us that the universe is not a static, unchanging place, but a dynamic, ever-evolving cosmic arena where change is the only constant. Every collision, every merger is a step in the grand story of the cosmos.